Want your Facebook profile to feel more personal and expressive? Now you can add music directly to your profile picture. Most users still don't know this feature exists. Let me show you how to add music to your Facebook profile picture easily. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and creative Facebook features that actually work. Step by step, add music to Facebook profile picture. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and sign in. This feature works on most updated Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is fully updated to see all options. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Navigate to your Facebook profile from the app. At the top, you'll see your current profile picture. Look closely for the current vibe option. This is where the music feature lives. Step 3. Select current vibe on your profile picture. You'll see an option that says Share your vibe. You can write something or skip text completely. The music works even without adding words. Step 4. Choose the music icon from the available options. This opens Facebook's built-in music library. Browse or search for the song you want. Pick a track that matches your mood or personality. If you're enjoying this creative Facebook trick, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more profile, privacy, and feature tutorials. These quick tips help you stand out online. Step 5. Select the song and adjust it if needed. Once everything looks perfect, choose Done. Finally, select Share to publish it. Your profile picture now plays music for visitors. Boom! Your Facebook profile picture now has music. Adding music is a simple way to express your vibe and personality on Facebook. Small features like this make your profile more engaging and memorable. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook tips, tricks, and hidden features. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and creative.